So you've decided to restore your pool cage. A smart move considering you save a lot of money and protect the environment at the same time. Your next task is to choose the right company for the job. I hope I can make your job a little easier by answering many of the questions our customers ask. In our first video, on our homepage of our website, I explained all the things we do to provide our customers with a company they can trust. In this video, we go through the process of restoration and what to expect. Let's get started. Osprey ProScreen is a pool cage specialist. That means we use the best materials and have mastered techniques to give you the best and longest lasting job. Step 1. Preparing the cage begins with power blasting. This is different than a regular power washing because our focus is surface preparation to remove oxidation, chalking, and remove any paint that is no longer bonded. In the next step, we address the screws. A rusted screw painted will still be a rusted screw, and it will come through the paint eventually. More importantly, it is what holds your cage together. Left untouched, eventually your cage would fall down. The good news is you will not have to worry about screws again. We use ultra stainless 304 marine grade stainless steel, powder coated to negate any reaction between aluminum and stainless steel.
Are you tired of rust stains on your patio and pool cage? Then you need to know the 304 difference. 304 stainless steel is a non-magnetic alloy that's guaranteed to not rust. Older 410 stainless is magnetic and rusts in just 6 months. Ultra stainless steel is a state-of-the-art, lifetime guaranteed, rust-free product.
Step 3. Covering and taping off of the pool area. Great care is taken to cover and tape off everything so that paint only goes where we want it to. The pool is tarped, the sides of the house covered in plastic, the shrubbery with canvas, and of course, lots and lots of tape. Next, any trouble areas of the cage are addressed. This can include sanding, scrubbing, scraping, and replacement of new metal where needed. We're now finally ready to paint. But not just any paint can be used. In the old days, people used oil or water-based. But these days, modern technology has provided us a hybrid type, a direct-to-metal paint that lasts 3 times as long as paints in the past. We also use a powerful sprayer that mists the paint, giving it a better bond. Once 2 coats of paint are applied, the cage is checked over for touch-ups needed, and then left to dry for 1 to 2 days before the screening begins. Once the paint is cured, the screening begins, but not with just any screen or spline. The quality of screen and the type of spline is important. That is why Osprey ProScreen is a certified AdForce contractor. Our screen is one of the few brands that has a long-term track record of lasting 12 to 14 years. It also has the least number of defects than any brand on the market. And there is also one more very important thing. Our screen does not have orthophthaleamites. These are cancer-causing chemicals that leach into your pool from the screen and have been banned in 5 states already. While it is true that it takes us a little longer to install, I think you will agree the benefit is well worth it. And now, you're ready to enjoy your like-new living area and be the envy of the neighborhood. And after the job is done, we will still be there for you. We provide small screen repair for storm damages and specialty screens if your needs change. If you've not seen our first video explaining all the attributes of our company, I urge you to go to our homepage and watch it there. Walk towards the camera and try to keep it tight.
Okay, Ashlyn.
All right.
Just take a